Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 185. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 7. We've got 1, 2, and 3 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, 3 here, so this is our 1, 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 5. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this top row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 4. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got the 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 7. 4 here, so 5, 7, and no help here, 4, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 7, 4 here, so 2, 7, 2 here, so 4, 7. That means our 2 for that row has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 5 here, so this is our 9. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got the 5 here, so 7, 5. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. 4 and 5 makes this our 7, 4. For this column now, we're only missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 8. No help here, 3, 7, 8. 8 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 4, 5. And with that 7, we can get rid of this 7. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. That 8 makes this our 7, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 4, 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. And for this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.